Hello everyone, this is Tunch, and today we're going to look into barcode progression, which we'll later use to play the song Shape of You. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright, so to start off, we're going to have a B minor chord, and the way that we play that chord is simply having a bar on the second fret and an A minor following it. So meaning I usually do this until the fifth string, and so it's just much easier to sort of play it and get it right. So we simply place the bar and an A minor chord. In case you don't know what A minor chord is, I will link some videos up there just so you can refer to and sort of get it right. So that should sound like this. Obviously, we're going from the fifth string all the way down. We don't hit the top string because it's empty right now since we're playing the bar until the fifth. Okay, so that's B minor, B, M. Next we have the G chord, which is going to be like this. We have a bar on the third fret and simply an E major chord. Again, if you don't know what E major chord is, you can simply search it up in Google and you should have millions of photos, images, videos coming up. So simply a bar on the third and then E major chord. So now in this, we don't do that 5-string thing. We simply put the bar in every string, and so it should sound like this. If you have any muted strings, which is possibly going to be the case if you are just starting the guitar, we'll try to first do the bars itself with the support with your middle finger, like that, and sort of get into the habit of playing the songs that you know with the bar chord versions of it. So essentially how you play it is like that. Third fret bar and then E major chord. That's G. Okay? You can also play it like that, I know. Right, like that. Or like even like that. I know. But just want to play like this. It's much easier for me. Okay, next we have an A major chord. Yes, again, we can't play this way. But the what we do here is simply we have a G chord, right? And we simply shifted 1, 2 frets. That's it. That's that's gonna be a major chord. Again, hold the thing from all the way up till down. Okay. And the last chord is our E minor chord. You should be very familiar with this. Simply 5th and 4th string, 2nd fret, all strings. Okay, so those are the chords that we're going to be using in order to play the Shape of You. And so obviously the order is not like this, but the chords are B minor, G major, A major, and E minor. Before we get into the rhythm, you just have to master these chords to play properly. And at the end, once we finish all these videos, it should be like this. I think the order is right here. Something around there. We'll get more into that in the later videos. Yeah, that's kind of it. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and that's it for me today. Cheers.